Rattled by Faux pas of MP top brass, BJP leadership plans training workshop for leaders. The top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, on the back foot over a series of controversial statements by senior party leaders from Madhya Pradesh, has decided to hold a Three-a-day workshop to teach how to conduct oneself in public life. The seriousness of the event can be gauged from the fact that Union Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda are expected to attend the workshop and impart crucial tips to Madhya Pradesh's BJP leadership. The workshop will be held from May 14-16. Though no official announcement has not been made yet, News 18 has learnt that Shah is likely to kickstart the workshop to set the tone. BJP General Secretary Vinod Toddy is likely to be present on May 15 to teach the do's and don'ts of social media interaction and cite best practices. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's social media practices to stay away from controversies while engaging on social media are likely to be cited during the workshop. On the closing day, Nadda is likely to be present along with General Secretary Organisation BL Santosh. Sources say Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav, Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and BJP State President B.D. Sharma will also address sessions that are customized to help the state leadership understand their limits when speaking to the media. The Three-a-day workshop is being organized in Panchmaraya, more than 200 kilometers away from Bhopal. Not only the Chief Minister and his entire cabinet, but all BJP MLAs, state BJP officials and even state spokespersons have been asked to be mandatorily present for the workshop on all 3 days. While the BJP as a party keeps organizing workshops for its leadership to upskill them, the Madhya Pradesh event is different as it comes in the backdrop of back-to-back controversial statements from the senior BJP leadership in the state. Madhya Pradesh's Minister for Tribal Affairs Kunwar Vijay Shah recently sparked outrage with his remarks about Colonel Sophia Qureshi, who briefed the media on Operation Sindoor, saying we sent their own sisters to beat them up. This prompted the Madhya Pradesh High Court to order and fur against Vijay Shah, while the Supreme Court criticized his comments and rejected his apology while ordering a special investigation team sit to probe the issue. Within days of that row, MP's Deputy Chief Minister Jagdish Devda claimed during a speech in Jabalpur that the Indian Army bows at the feet of PM Narendra Modi in connection with Operation Sindoor. Congress leader Priyanka Vadra quickly lapped up the opportunity to call it constant insult of our army. Swipe left for next video. In June this year, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Kailash Vijayavargiya commented during a program in Indore that he disapproved of women wearing skimpy clothes and refused to take selfies with them, emphasizing traditional views on women's attire in India. The remarks drew sharp criticism from the Madhya Pradesh Congress, bringing embarrassment to the BJP. Sources in the BJP suggest the top leadership considered the recent spate of faux pas unacceptable, given that they came from very senior politicians. By sending its top leadership for the workshop, a message is given to the Madhya Pradesh BJP that, in future, such embarrassing statements may not go without consequences. Latest blogs.